happy birthday! Stay pretty, sweet, and smart. We love you, Ate Chloe. Enjoy your day. Say happy birthday, Ate Chloe. Happy birthday, Ate Chloe.
Hello, Chloe. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Kahit sa bahay ka lang mag-celebrate ng birthday, alam ko may enjoy mo together with your family. Okay, miss ka na ni teacher. Stay safe always. God bless.
Okay. Hi, Chloe. Happy birthday. Sana magkita ulit tayo. Maski hindi ka na dito mag-school. Next year. We love you. Happy birthday! Stay home and stay safe kasi hindi pwede pa lumabas ang mga bata. Mamimiss ka namin. Love ka ni teacher. Bye! Ano?
Happy birthday, Ate Chloe. I miss you.
Hello sa mga kalaog dyan at mga kabago dyan. Binabati ko yung may birthday ngayon na si Ate Chloe. Stay beautiful and happy birthday. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Chloe. I love you. Miss you.
Hi, Chloe. Happy birthday. God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Chloe. Stay safe. Sorry kung di kami makakapunta dyan dahil sa COVID-19. Sa susunod sa 2020, pupunta kami dyan. Bye! Happy birthday, Ate Chloe! Happy 6th birthday! Stay safe! Pablow up naman dyan!
Happy birthday, Ate Owen. Stay healthy and pretty. Bait kay mama. God bless. Big girl na ikaw. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chloe.
One more.
Happy birthday, Chloe. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ingat, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ingat ka din palagi. Para di ka tama ng virus.
Enjoy.
Ingat ka pa din baragi ang tama yung birthday mo, ha?
I love you.
I love you. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Chloe. More birthday to come. God bless. Yun na.
Happy birthday, Chloe! More birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Chloe!
Happy birthday, Chloe! Wish ko ngayong birthday mo na maging masaya ka at marami pang blessing ang dumating sa buhay mo. Dalangin ko kay Lord na bigyan kanya ng malusog na katawan at lumaki kang mabait at mabuting bata. Lumaki ka rin sana mapagmahal, lalo na sa iyong mama, sa iyong papa, kay Ninang Lenlen at sa kay Inang Hilda. Dalangin ko kay Lord na palagi kanyang gabayan sa iyong paglaki. Muli, happy birthday!
Hi, Chloe! Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Chloe! Miss ka na ni Ate Faye. Sana makauwi na kayo dito ulit. Makapagbakasyon. Sana din matupad mo yung lahat ng pangarap mo. Maging mabuti kang bata at lumaki kang mabuting bata. At huwag ka rin magiging papuri sa Lola Inda, sa Mama at sa Ninang Linlen. Pagbutihin lalo ang pag-aaral. Ingat palagi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Chloe!
Happy birthday, Ate Chloe.
Di kami makapunta. Susunod na lang. Kasama na namin si baby.
Happy birthday!
Shoutout nga pala kay Chloe. Happy birthday, Chloe. Happy birthday. Mamaya na si Akio.
Happy birthday, Ate Chloe. Wish namin ay maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Maging healthy ka. Hindi maging masasaktin. Happy birthday, Ate Owie. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Owie. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Love you, Ate Owie.
Happy 6th birthday, Chloe. Wish ko sa'yo na laging healthy, stay sweet, mabait na bata. Enjoy mo lang yung araw mo ngayon. Again, happy 6th birthday.
Happy birthday, Chloe. See you soon. Ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Hi, Chloe. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. See you soon. I love you.
Hi, Chloe. Happy birthday. Ano bang handa natin bukas? Dapat marami tayong handa kasi dalawa tayong may birthday. Kung nandyan si Papa mo, siguro ang dami mong handa. Taka nga ako, hindi pa rin ako makawi. Dito pa kami sa Cebu kasi na lockdown kami. Sama mo na lang ako sa handa mo dyan. Para may handa din ako. Ha? Happy birthday ulit. Sana maging mabait na bata, ha? Okay, bye-bye. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy 6th birthday, Chloe. God bless you always. Maging mabait na bata, masunurin, at mag-aral na mabuti. Maging masaya ka kasi andyan ang Lola Inda, ang Tita Ninang Linlin, at ang Mama Joy. Kaya na lang ang mag-celebrate ngayon kasi di kami makakapunta dyan. Okay, happy birthday ulit. God bless you. We love you.
Ito, Ate Chloe. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sabi ni Tintin. Happy birthday, Chloe. Anong handa mo, Ate Chloe? Dali.
Happy birthday, Chloe!
Happy birthday, Chloe! Sana maraming karawang pang sumapit sa buhay mo.
Birthday, Chloe. Sana marami pang birthday kang dumaan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chloe!
Hi, Chloe! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bonseng!
Hi, Owie. Happy birthday. Love you. Sana marami pang birthday sa pitin mo. Wish ko healthy, strong and pretty always. At saka be a good girl always to Mama and Papa. Next time, babawi kami sa iyo. Pupuntahan ka namin dyan. At saka enjoy your birthday. Kahit nag-iisa ka lang dyan. Wala ang mga pinsan. Yan mo pag tapos ng pandemic at okay na, normal na. Happy na tayo. Love you. Again, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy 6th birthday, Ate Owie. Wishing you a healthy more birthdays to come. Be a good girl to your Mama and Papa, Lola Inda and Tita Ninang. Siguro pag nagkita tayo, malaki ka pa sa akin. Sana matapos na yung pandemic para magkita-kita na tayo. Miss ko na ang saging mo. Smile. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit.
Birthday, Chloe.
Chloe. I miss you. 6 years old ka na. I wish you all the best. Stay pretty and healthy. I love you so much.
Maligayang bati sa iyong karawan.
You know I'm gonna get